Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we will explore Micron in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you stay informed about our latest analyses. It's essential to catch any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 25th of September, 2024, our system has categorized Micron as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.19% since we initially recommended purchasing Micron 11 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.56% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decrease within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately negative 18% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 37% and negative 10%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 36% over the next year, with potential returns between 20% and 123%. This translates into a price range of $122.29 to $227.18 after a year. Our latest daily update for Micron includes the headline, Micron stock downgraded to hold accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, the Micron stock price declined by 0.82%, dropping from $102.54 to $101.70. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.96%, with a low of $100.32 and a high of $102.29. The stock has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days. However, it remains up by 6.19% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which typically suggests a positive trend, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 379,000 shares, totaling 18 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $157.54, while the lowest was $63.88. Currently, the price is 35.44%, or $55.84, below the 52-week high of $157.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Citi's recent report highlights an optimistic outlook for the semiconductor sector, citing stronger than expected sales in August, which bodes well for companies like Micron Technology. With artificial intelligence-driven demand surging, Micron stands to benefit significantly as it supplies critical memory and storage solutions essential for AI applications and cloud computing. Analysts predict a robust recovery in traditional markets, positioning Micron for strong growth into the year 2025, particularly as its high-bandwidth memory chips are sold out, with orders extending into the years 2026 and 2027. Goldman's positive assessment of companies like Micron emphasizes improved gross margins and potential corporate profit margin growth through 2026, further reinforcing confidence in the stock. Micron's current trading levels suggest it remains undervalued despite a year-to-date dip. Investors are eyeing the fourth quarter as a potential turning point, with a seasonal increase in demand anticipated. As Micron continues to innovate with new memory technologies, the long-term outlook appears promising, especially as the AI sector continues its rapid growth. In the short term, Micron's strong fundamentals and strategic partnerships enhance its role in the AI-driven hardware landscape, potentially driving stock prices upward as positive market sentiment gathers momentum. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, October 8, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned a buy rating to MU alongside a hold action. On the same day, October 8, 2024, Wedbush rated MU as underperform with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, October 1, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned an overweight rating to MU, also with a hold action. On Friday, September 27, 2024, Bernstein rated MU as outperform with a hold action. Finally, on Thursday, September 26, 2024, Piper Sandler assigned an overweight rating to MU, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Micron stock an overall neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, and the price-to-book value also as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Micron. The Micron stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $101.63 and $95.83. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 17.89%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal approximately 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal approximately 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal approximately 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal approximately 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal approximately 10 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal approximately 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal approximately 61 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal approximately 51 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 95.77 and 92.70. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If it breaks this level, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Micron finds support just below today's level at 95.77. If this support is broken, the next levels from accumulated volume will be at 92.70 and 90.42. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 1.97 between its high and low, which represents 1.96%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.66%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Micron, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 18th of December, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.75. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Micron is at 103.71. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may be a suitable level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Micron faces its first support level at 95.77. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of September, 2024, Robert Holmes Swan executed an insider purchase of 291 shares of common stock. On the 26th of September, 2024, April S. Arnzen sold 4,890 shares of common stock from insider holdings. On the 8th of August, 2024, Sanjay Mehrotra sold 14,531 shares of common stock. On the 19th of July, 2024, Scott R. Allen bought 269 shares of common stock. On the same day, Scott R. Allen also sold 137 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated as negative with a ratio of negative 51.251. In total, insiders acquired 202,699 shares and disposed of 640,660 shares in these 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $96.69, reflecting a decline of 4.92%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. Recently, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Micron stock a good buy? Micron presents several positive indicators, yet we don't find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Presently, it should be regarded as a hold or accumulate position while we anticipate further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of October, we anticipate Micron will open lower by approximately 263 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $101.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.